Hello children, class 7th physics lesson 1 part 3 physical quantities and measurement. Today's learning point: to measure the area of an irregular shape using a graph paper. Area of an irregular shape cannot be calculated by using any formula. Why? Because an irregular shape do not have their measurable dimension like length and breadth, and its approximate area can be calculated by an indirect method using a graph paper. Because the graph paper can be square centimeter or square millimeter grid. Due to that reasons, we are calculating the area of an irregular shape by a graph paper. So how we calculate the area of an irregular shape? So first we will take a graph paper. Then we keep the leaf on a graph paper. After that, we draw the outline. After outline, you remove the leaf from the graph paper. Already I done in the graph paper or the same size of a leaf. So then children, how you calculate? First you count all the numbers of a full square. So here already we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. This one the first step, all the square must be count. Then second step, we'll count the square that is more than half as a half or more than half. You remember that one? The square of the graph paper which is half or more than half is count as a half. So here how many are there? I am marking it into the dot symbol. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here this square is more than half, but also we are taking as a half, and here both the squares are already half there. Here also the square is half, and here more than half. This one also more than half, but the square like this and this and this, these are all are less than half. So less than half is we are not counting. So when you calculate, that time you remember the 3 points. So count the number of a full square, that already we count, and that one is your 30. Then second step is count the number of squares which are half or more than half. Third point is, that is more important, do not count the square which are less than half. So these three things we remember and calculating the area of a leaf. So area of a leaf equal to number of full square plus half into number of half or more than half square into centimeter square. So our number of full square is 30. So we write here 30 plus the number of half or more than half is 10. So half into 10 cm square, that equal to 2 5s are 10, we cancel. Then 30 plus 5 equal to 35 centimeter square. So this like we able to calculate the area of an irregular shape by using a graph paper. Thank you.